All right, so here's the original bump stop. They're really pretty bad shape. Feel spongy, and these are the new polyurethane ones. And I'm going to install that today. See how I can do it. So pretty nice. These they're like 30 bucks for the pair. So this is for the rear of Jeep JK. So I'm gonna install them now. So as you can see, I put a lot of grease on it, so that it hopefully pops in there a little easier. And just straighten it out. Just gonna jack it up and see what happens. Okay, here we go. Wish me luck. Just raise the jack stand a little bit in case it pops off. Well, it hasn't popped in yet, so I'm gonna have to try something else. Well, I'm gonna jack it up a little bit more and see what happens. It's not going in, so not sure what I'm gonna do. It's not going in. If it didn't pop in by now, it's not going to go in. So we're going to have to figure out another way. Alright, so jack didn't work. I'm going to try a crowbar. See if that helps. If that can do it. Well, looks like that's the best way to do it. A nice long crowbar. It's in. So, put some grease on it, and yeah, that's in. That ain't going nowhere. I think we're good. Yeah, that's in. I put a little tape over here so I wouldn't scratch up the upper control arm. Little block of wood. So we're in. Yeah, definitely use those jack stands. That's it. I'll just put the tire back on and it's done. Good luck. And here's the driver's side. I did that in like no time. It took me a couple of hours to figure out how to do the first one. This one just popped in so easy with the crowbar. It just popped in 2 minutes. I mean, put some grease on it and and it just popped in. Just get yourself a 30-inch crowbar, and it works like magic. Just popped right in. It's solid. So, yep, that's the way to do it. Crowbar. Okay, good luck.